Hello everyone, my name is Josh Davis with Information Security Experts, and today I'm going to talk to you about using an internal CA with PAM to create secure login to your CA PAM appliance. If you take a look at the top of the screen in the URL bar, you'll see a red not secure warning, and today we're going to fix that. Starting off, you're going to go ahead and just log into your PAM appliance, and we're going to click on the Configuration tab. We're going to head down to Security and then Certificates. We're going to create a certificate signing request to send to our internal CA. Click CSR and fill in all of the fields. Our key size, 2048, our fully qualified domain name, 2-letter abbreviation for the country, spell out your state, city, organization, as well as the organizational unit, followed by the number of days you would like for this certificate to stay valid. For the alternate subject name, input the IP of your PAM appliance as well as any other address you would like to use to access your PAM appliance. I would recommend adding the fully qualified domain name to the subject alternate names to circumvent an issue you could experience with Google Chrome. This part called file name is important. You need to create something simple. For example, let's use PAM CSR. Verify your information and click Create. Then let's head over to Download. Find the CSR we just created. And click Download. After you download it, you're going to want to open it with Notepad or Notepad++, but just make sure you copy everything that's in that file. Then we're going to head over to our internal CA. Once you're there, you're going to click Request a Certificate, Advanced Certificate Request, and then paste the CSR contents. For the template, be sure to select Web Server and then Submit. After you submit, you'll come to a page where you can download your newly signed certificate. A very important step that gets overlooked is that you need to change the name of the certificate you downloaded to match a CSR file name you made in PAM. As I said before, on the CSR, we named it PAM CSR. Therefore, we need to change the name of the signed certificate to PAMCSR.CRT for cert. Alrighty, and now that we have the file, we're going to head over into PAM. We're going to click Upload, and then we're going to choose that cert that we just downloaded from our CA. And then we're going to select Upload. Now, if you see an error at the very top of the screen, you might have very well named the file incorrectly. Then we're going to head over to Set, where we're going to select our cert, click Verify, then Set, and wait for your PAM appliance to reboot. Once the PAM appliance has rebooted, congratulations, we've created a signed certificate with an internal CA, and we're able to use the web to access our PAM appliance securely, as seen here. If you look at the top, we do have the lock now. And if we go to our pam.isx.com, which we made in our CSR, it is also accessible securely here. Thank you, and if this video helped you, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have any questions or would like for us to do a video on something specific, please leave a comment. Don't forget to check out all of the weekly ISX videos that come out. Thank you.